You are welcome to the IDP in Kotoparufi. Distribution is about to start, and unfortunately the situation is still very rowdy. We are trying to see how to cool down the people so that we can conveniently have distribution. We have some. We are told there are still some elders who are not
okay. Are they medical? No,
and some are talking to us so that they are able to take what they said to the elders. We are working hard to do the distribution. Welcome to Kotoparufi in Kogi State, Nigeria. Humanity Force distributing materials to the underprivileged, to the victims of the flood in this area.